Would you like to know how to change your wallpaper automatically and do this daily, weekly, or monthly? This is the video for you. Hi and welcome. If you're new here, welcome. I hope we earn your subscription. This is part of a series of videos on how to configure your Microsoft Surface Duo, the original, or a Duo 2. We're going to go through the Microsoft Start and Bing apps to do this. If you're familiar with Microsoft Launcher on non-Microsoft devices, this is a function built into it, but hey, we're dealing with a limited set of parameters in Microsoft Launcher currently. So we do this through the Bing or Start app. So take a look. Before we get started, if you do not have the Microsoft Bing or Start app, please go to the Google Play Store and install these apps now. Either one of them will do. We're going to look at how to auto change wallpaper with both the Bing and Start apps. So let's open up either the Bing app, you'll see it on the left here, or the Start app. Start app is the app that Microsoft would like for you to use, and you'll see it here on the right hand side. And as you can see, they both look identical to each other. You'll see an app bar underneath the search, and in both the second option is wallpapers. So in either app, I would like for you to select wallpapers, and then we're going to open it up first here on the Bing app and then on the Start app. As you can see, they both look the same. If you would like, you can manually change by selecting from the daily image, the gallery, or a solid color, and you'll see use as wallpaper in the bottom left. But look up top in both apps and you'll see the search images, and then to the right of that you'll see three dots, the ellipse. So we're going to select that and go in and set the auto change. So just so you can see that they both look the same, we'll open up on both and you'll see an auto change wallpaper option. And if you select it, you'll see, and we'll open it up on both of them just so that you can see that everything is the same. You have options of turning it on, the frequency, which here you can set daily, weekly, or monthly. And I kind of like daily. Get something new each day. And another option that you have is whether to change on Wi-Fi or any network, which is all. So I usually do all. To the right of turn on, you'll see the toggle switch. I'm going to use the Start app and toggle it on. And now my wallpaper is set to auto change daily. And we'll take and I'm going to set it to change to home screen and lock screen. You can set home screen only. So just by selecting here, you will have now set it to both. And as you can see, it is turned on. And that's all there is to it. We'll go back out to the main page of both apps, and you're done. Hopefully you found that video helpful. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe. Hey, don't forget to give the thumbs up and like. Subscribe. Comment. Tell me what you'd like to hear about. You can click the notification, and hey, when we upload new videos, you can be alarmed about it. Get a notification. And finally, thanks for watching.